Hello, Jai Hind. I'm Vedana Singh, and you're most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to complete the complete question answer of the unit chemical effects of electric currents. Here, we will cover the entire questions answer of the unit, and the public book is from Edible, and the Science Sparks books is the name of the book is Science Spark and is published by Edible. So first, what we'll do, we'll cover the questions answer. In the question answer series, we'll do the first MCQs. So first question of the MCQs is, which of the following liquid is a good conductor of electricity? Among the option, that is the lemon juice is a correct answer. I have highlighted the answer with answer. The next is, which of the following effect is caused by passing an electric current through a solution? The answer is chemical effects. Now the next question is, electroplanting is used to, generally it is used to protect a metal from a corrosion. Now the next question is, which of the following solution is used for electroplating iron with zinc? The answer is sodium chloride solution. Now the next question is, why distilled water is poor conductor of electricity? The answer is it lacks dissolved salts. Now the next question is, fill the blanks, means the questions are here and we have to keep the proper words inside in the fill up. Now the first is, the passing of electric current through a conducting liquid causes, that is chemical effects. Now the next question is, the electroplating is a process of coating an iron with a large layer of metals. Now the next is, substances that allows electricity to pass through them is called conductors. Now the next is, when electricity is passed through the water, it decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen. Now the next is, the process of electroplating used in jewelry protects it from corrosions. Now the next type of question is true and false type questions are here. The first is, the distilled water is good conductor of electricity. No, this is false. Now the next question is, electroplating helps in improving the appearance of object. Yes, true. Now the next is, the bulb glows brightly in all liquids during an electric conductivity test. No, this is false. Now the next is, the electrolysis refers to the chemical changes produced by the electricity in a liquid. Yes, this is true. Now the next type of question is, that is, define the following terms are given here and we have to give the proper definition for the term. The first term is electroplating. What is electroplating? The process of coating a metal object with a thin layer of another metal using electricity, that is called electroplating. The next is electrolyte, a liquid that conducts electricity and break into ions, that is called electrolytes. Next is conductor, a material that allows electricity to pass through it, that is known as conductor. Now the next is insulator, a material that does not allow electricity to pass through it, that is insulator. Now the next is chemical effect of electric currents, means the changes in a liquid like color orange gases release when the electricity passes through it. Now the next type of question is, match the column, means two columns are here, column A and column B. In the column B, there are the correct matchings are here. So first is electrolysis, decomposition of waters, means E is a correct option. Now the next is good conductors, means lemon juice solution is a good conductor among the given options. Now the next is electroplatings, means coating with a metal with another metal layers. Now the next is poor conductor, means distilled water is a poor conductor of electricity. Next is hydrogen gas, produces hydrogen gases. Now the next type of question is, give the reason for the following statements, means reasons are given here and we have to give the proper reason for the first statements is, the lemon juice conducts electricity but distilled water does not. The reason is, lemon juice has acid and ions which helps in conducting electricity. Distilled water has no salt or iron, so it cannot conduct electricity. The next question is, electroplating is widely used in industries. The answer is, it makes object look shiny and attractive and also protects them from rusting. This is the correct answer. Now the next question is, the passage of electric current through water produces bubbles. The answer is, this is because the water breaks into the hydrogen and oxygen gases when electricity passes through it. The next question is, conducting liquids are used in electrolysis experiment. The answer is, it is because these liquids allow electricity to pass and which helps in studying chemical changes. So the next question is, metals like coppers and zincs are often used for electroplating. The answer of the question is, They are cheap, protects from rusting and makes them object look better. The next type of question is questions in brief. We have to give the answer in brief. The first question is, how does distilled water different from the tap water in terms of electrical conductivity? The correct answer of the question is distilled water does not conduct electricity while because it has no salt, iron or minerals, whereas the tap waters has salt or mineral, so it can conduct electricity. The next type of question is what is the importance of using chemical effects of electric currents in industries? The answer is it helps in process like electroplating, refining metals and make useful and chemical products. The next question is third number question is it explain why a glowing ball indicates electrical conductivity of a liquid. The answer is if bulb glows it means that liquid allows electricity to pass through, showing it is a good conductor. The next question is how electroplating beneficial for everyday object. The answer is electroplating makes object shiny, protect them from rust and improves their appearance. Now the next question is why does electrolysis result in formation of gas or deposition of a substances? The answer is during electrolysis, electricity breaks down the liquid into its parts, which may form gases or deposit substances on electrodes. The next type question is answers in details. Means questions are here and we have to give the detailed answers. The first question is describe how liquid conducts electricity and factors affecting their conductivity. The sorry. The answer is liquid conduct electricity when they have ions. Liquid like salt water or lemons juice have ions and conduct electricity. The factors that affecting the conductivities are first is amount of dissolved salt, second is temperature of a liquid, next is type of liquid used. The next question is explain the process of electrolysis and provide example with its application. The answer is electrolysis is a process where electricity is passed through a liquid electrolyte to break it into a simpler substances. The examples are breaking water into the hydrogen and oxygen. Next is purifying coppers. Next is electroplating metals. So the next question is what is electroplating and discuss its uses in industry with a suitable example. The answer is electroplating is a covering a metals with a thin layer of another metals using electricity. The uses is to make objects shiny like gold and plated jewelry. And the next is prevent rusting, means zinc plating on an iron. Next is make cheap metals like expensive. These are the basic uses of electroplating. Now the next question is what are the common method to test the conductivity of a liquid? Explain it in details. The answers is first methods are here. Set up a simple circuit with a battery, bulb and wires and dip the wires into the liquid. Next is if the bulb glows, the liquid conduct electricity. Now the next question is I think this is the last question of the unit. Explain the chemical effects of electric currents and their significance in our daily life. The answer is when the electricity passes through a liquid, it can causes formation of gas. Next is change in colors. Next is deposition of matter and significance are it is used in making jewelry. Next it is used in purification of metals. Next is it is used in industries for planting and manufacturing. With this end, if you have any confusion, you can ask the question in the comment box. I would try to give the answer in as soon as possible. With this end, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.